Let's start the new project by clicking up here where it says Create New Project. What opens up first is your desktop and all of your main file directories. It's highly recommended that you create a project folder and put all of your assets into that folder, preferably with subfolders such as a footage folder, a stills folder, and an audio folder. If you'd like to use the same files that I'm using for this tutorial, you can access them via timkitchen.net/washhands. Before I add media to this project, I'm going to give the project the name Hand Hygiene. To start the story, I'd like to insert some footage that I took with my daughter recently. To do this, I'm going to select the order that I'd like the footage to appear on the timeline, and then click down there. This blue line down here is called a playhead, and you can use it to scrub through the timeline like this. When you move the playhead into any position on the timeline, you can then make a cut in the footage with this cutting tool. Below the cutting tool is a duplicate tool that allows you to make copies of any still image or footage or audio file that's sitting in your timeline. Below the duplicate tool is the delete tool in the shape of a rubbish bin. This allows you to delete any asset that is highlighted on the timeline. This tool here, well, that expands the layers so that you can have a better representation of the audio waveform. And right down the bottom left-hand corner is the Control Tracks button, and that reveals all the different layers that you can work with in Premiere Rush. Premiere Rush has 4 layers of video and 4 layers of audio for you to potentially use in your story. This provides you with so many creative opportunities to make your story look amazing.